Okay, welcome back. And today we are reading another Mo Willems book. This one. There is a bird on your head. So head, and the bird is on your head. So Piggy, there's a bird on your head. Everyone, there is a bird on your head. An elephant and piggy book. Here we go. Here we go. There is a bird on your head. Nobody? Okay. A bird. All right. Thank you. So, piggy and elephant, elephant and piggy, piggy and elephant, elephant and piggy. Ooh, piggy! She's got quite exclamation. Piggy! Piggy! Very good. Is something on my head?
Something on my head.
Yes. There is a bird on your head.
There is a bird on your head.
There is a bird on my head?
There is a
Bird.
on my head.
So he's saying there's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? There's a bird? Question. There's a bird on my head? And then, Very good. Okay, keep it down. Is there a bird on my head now? Everyone, is there
Is there
a bird
a bird?
on my head now? No. Now, everyone, now
Now
there are two birds on your head.
there are two birds on your head.
What are two birds doing on my head? Everyone, what are
What are
two birds
two birds
doing
doing
on my head?
on my head?
They are in love. They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. Everyone, the birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? Everyone, how do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Everyone, they are making a nest. Making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? He's like, two birds are making a nest on my head? Let's speed this up. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Uh-oh. I am afraid to ask. I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? She's saying, do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. 3. You have 3 eggs on your head.
You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
I do
Not
want
want 3 eggs
on my head.
Then I have good news. Then I have good news. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching! The eggs on my head are hatching. This is hatching when a baby comes up. Hatching, hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep.
Chip, chip, chip.
They have hatched.
They have had.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head.
And 2 birds and a nest. Oh, she's saying, and 2 birds and a nest.
And 2 birds and a nest.
Pay attention. Is it piggy or elephant speaking? Elephant. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Everyone, I do not want
I do not want
3 baby chicks,
2
birds,
and
a
a
nest on my head. Where do you want them?
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else. Everyone, somewhere
Somewhere
else.
else.
Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Why not
Ask them.
to go somewhere
Ask them?
else?
Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? Yes. No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. The birds, the chicks went to Piggy's head. And now, Piggy, you're welcome. He's not very happy. And that is the end, my friends. Our first time reading Mo Willems. Mo Willems, there is a bird on your head. There was 1 bird, then there were 2 birds, then there were 5 birds. Everyone, did you like the book? Good book?
Good book.
Yes, very good book. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.